I'm going to show you how you can record your screen just by using PowerPoint 2016. Let's get into it. G'day, Paul from DemoCast Media, helping you demonstrate your ideas with ease. On this channel, I talk about the art and science of making great screencast videos. So if you're interested, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and leaving your feedback in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. So recording your PowerPoint slides is not a new thing. That's been around for a while, only within the PowerPoint software itself. But from 2013 onwards, you could start recording screencast videos with a function within PowerPoint itself. I think this is a great way for people to get started and start practicing the art of making a great screencast video. So I'm going to show you how to use this function and some of the basic editing features, and finally how to export that into an MP4 in a usable way. To begin with, make sure that the slide is selected and then head over to Insert and choose Screen Recording. And what this does, it pulls up a control dock which will help you navigate the screen recording function. So I'm going to select the Alt Tab to get back the PowerPoint slide, and the first thing is I can select an area to record. Now to select the entire area completely, I can select the Windows Shift F, and that gets the entire screen. Or if I just want a portion of the screen, go to Select Area, and with the crosshairs, click and drag over the desired spot until you have what you're after, and you'll be recording within this square, this rectangle with the dotted lines. So assuming we're happy with that, we also can select whether we record audio directly through PowerPoint, or if we record the pointer. In that case, these being unselected, all you would get would be the screen recording itself, no audio, no pointer. So to get those back, just click those again. You also have the option here to pin the dock at the top of the screen while you're recording. If you don't, leave that unpinned and that will disappear the moment you hit record. So I'll hit record now, and it has the countdown. If I want to stop recording, it's the Windows Shift Q button. So I'll just add some text here. Once you're done with the footage on the screen, you can go to the top and press pause, or to stop this completely, again, you can also do the Windows Shift Q selection. I'm going to stop this. And now we have a video embedded within the slide. There's a few things you can do now to adjust this. You can add some color, the color corrections here, brightness and contrast rather, different colors. You can put a preview frame at the beginning here. So it's the first thing that someone would see before the video begins. Or you can undo some of the changes. They're the superficial things, but if all you want to do and all you have to work with is PowerPoint, you may want to trim the video. You can do this by going to playback and selecting trim video, or you can click the embedded video, right click, and trim shows up right there. So you can scroll through selecting the green marker to the point where you are wanting to delete some footage. So let's say here, for instance, I just want to keep the content that's sitting in between the markers, but I want everything before the green marker to disappear, to get deleted. That's what will happen if I move that green marker along. Anything before that gets deleted. As well, if I were to select this red marker, this indicates the end of the footage. Anything after that will also be deleted. So just for illustrative purposes, I want to remove these two portions. I will go and select OK, and the video will begin from there. So we've got a shortened version of the video. I've trimmed that already. Now, there's a couple of ways to export this. You can either go on the slide itself, the embedded video, right-click, and save media as. This automatically converts this to an MP4 at 1080p. If that's all you're interested in doing, that would be the easiest and quickest way to achieve this. If you want to choose a different resolution, go to File and Export, and ensuring you've got create a video selected, you can go over to Presentation Quality, and you can go to 720p if you want, or 480p. And I'm quite happy with the 1080p. So if I were to go from here, I select Create Video, and I'll put this on the desktop, and it will start rendering this footage. So that is, in a nutshell, how you use PowerPoint 2016 to do a screen recording, and not just within PowerPoint, but outside of PowerPoint. It is a very useful tool. So that's how I use PowerPoint 2016 to record screencasts. And this is a great way to get started with this art without paying for expensive software. So if you've already got PowerPoint 2013 or 2016, you can get started immediately. And this is great for people who are on a budget, who just want to do a quick process record, like just hit record and start recording a process or documenting. If you're in a company that don't see the value in this right now, but you just need to put a case to them that recording your screen or doing screencast videos makes a business sense, then you can get started immediately if you have that version of PowerPoint. So my question to you is, what do you think of this feature in PowerPoint? Is it good? Is it useless? Or is it perfect just for you? Leave your feedback below. And I also invite you to leave your video requests, so I'll start making them just for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.